I do like some of the FANG names, not based on recent results, but based on concerns about higher expenses to address privacy. Facebook is back down to its 52-week low. And at some point, the air will clear with Facebook. I think it's very interesting. I want to hold off on Amazon and Google until they report. I think Netflix posted a pretty good quarter. Not a cheap stock, but something that I would buy on a dip. And I know we've been talking about Microsoft all day. I took a look at those results last night. Very solid. Not a cheap stock, but very solid. On any dip, it's a must-own.
In terms of the likes of Microsoft and others, what's your top pick of those big cap US-based tech names?
I would probably say for the long term, not in the short term, that it's Facebook, because Facebook has come down the most. It has a lot of transitory problems, but that's the key word, transitory, not permanent.
And in terms of some other subsectors, payment space, you like that at the moment?
It's a pretty interesting way to play defense within technology. I don't think you can go wrong with Visa and MasterCard. A little bit more speculative, but still with great prospects, are Square and PayPal. But that segment, which is really tech-driven, is a pretty good, relatively defensive segment in a sector which right now is troubled, but it's going to bring some great buying opportunities.
So, Paul, people always pay attention to what you say generally about technology. As I remember, you ran the big fund for Merrill Lynch during the dot-com boom and subsequent crash. In general, do you see parallels to that time, and do you see technology as a whole being able to carry this market higher, as it has done so much of the heavy lifting over the past few years during the bull market?
You never say never, but one of the things that happened back in the inflation of the internet bubble before it popped, there were some really crappy companies that were being hoisted upon us by investment bankers in New York. I would say now companies are incubating much longer and becoming much more financially secure and credible as private companies before they go public. So I don't have those kind of concerns about a massive washout. But as always, the pendulum between grossly overvalued and grossly undervalued is always swinging very fast in a very wide arc with technology. And so you have to keep your eyes on it, and opportunities come and go in every market condition.